This tutorial shows you how to install the standalone Perl version of ENMTools under Ubuntu Linux version 20.04. ENMTools, written by Dr. Dan Warren, has many useful functions for performing ecological niche modeling using the program Maxent as well as other algorithms. This tutorial assumes you are using Ubuntu Linux version 20.04 as your operating system. If you do not have Linux, you can emulate it for free on your Windows or Mac computer. See the show notes for details. In fact, I am emulating Linux right now on my Intel Mac computer using VirtualBox. Speaking of which, I have a VirtualBox virtual machine pre-configured with the software I will show you today, as well as other population genetics and ecological niche modeling software. See the show notes below for step-by-step instructions to download and hook up this virtual machine within your Windows or Mac computer. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up Google Chrome, which you can find pinned to my favorites on the left or which you can search for below. And navigate to my website, joshbanta.com. Click on Tutorials. From the table of contents at the beginning, scroll towards the bottom and select How to install the standalone version of ENMTools. Click on Files Needed for Tutorial. When the download is completed, open up File Explorer, which I have pinned to my favorites on the left or which you can find by searching below. Navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the file enmtools 1.4.4.zip and double-click on it. The folder that we need, ENMTools, is in a compressed zip archive. We have to uncompress the folder in order to use the software. Open up File Explorer again. Navigate to the desktop. Next, click on the Archive Manager again. Drag the folder ENMTools 1.4.4 from the Archive Manager software onto your desktop in the File Explorer window. We have now extracted ENMTools from the zip archive and it is ready to use. You may now close the zip archive. We need to install some other auxiliary software first in order to use ENMTools. Open up a terminal window, which I have pinned to my favorites on the left or which you can find by searching below. The commands that I will show you are in the show notes. Type sudo apt install tcl and hit enter. You will be prompted for the administrator password. The password is provided in the show notes below if you are using my virtual machine. It asks, do you want to continue? Press Y and hit enter. This is a quick splice to ask you to consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. It does not cost anything, but if you like what I am doing and want to support my work, I encourage you to visit patreon.com/joshbanta and make a voluntary contribution. The link is in the show notes below. Your support helps me to deliver new content and keep this channel current and vibrant. Thank you. Now type sudo apt install cpanminus and press enter. When asked if you want to continue, press Y and hit enter. Now type sudo cpanm and then capital T, lowercase k, lowercase x, and press enter. You will see some strange windows appear on your screen as this last program is installed. We are now ready to run Standalone ENMTools. Type cd and space. We need to navigate to the folder that contains ENMTools. To do that, open up File Explorer. Navigate to your desktop and find the folder ENMTools. Drag it from File Explorer into your terminal window. Your terminal prompt should say cd space and the location of the folder. Press enter. Now, type Perl space enm, which is all capital T, and then tools, just as you see me typing it on my screen, or you can copy the command from the show notes below, _1.4.4.pl, and press enter. Click the OK button for the window that has popped up on your screen. We have successfully installed ENMTools and the auxiliary programs required for it to run, and we have successfully opened up ENMTools, and it is ready for use.